Hey, good morning, gang, and happy Friday. Welcome to. Oh, and I just heard his voice. Ah, shit, man, we gotta be quick. Welcome to PCE. Oh, shit, man. All right, copy. Shit. What time is it? We still got a minute. So, what are we thinking? Are we longing or are we shorting?
Well, I mean, everything
Tells
tells
me
me
we're
we're
gonna
gonna
drop,
drop,
but
but
we're
we're
rocketing
rocketing
right
right
now.
now.
So maybe we get a good pump, huh?
Man, I'm almost thinking we're pumping for this thing. It's 8:29. Did you give me your screen yet? Nope, not yet.
Oh shoot, no, go ahead. Let me swap it over here. I tell you, crazy morning. There.
Copy. Paste. Whew, 15 seconds left. Oh, so I guess I have a couple buys out to see snag the buy, then snag the sale. What are you going to do? You're trying to snag the sale for the drop?
Yeah, I think I'm just long right here and see what.
Well, here you go,
Not gonna hurt
8:30.
anything, is it?
Nothing burger so far. What?
Oh,
Nothing?
there's them down.
There's a down. Quick little reaction down. Maybe for us to rip. Is it time for us to rip up? Well, shoot, nothing so far. I mean, is that it? A 50-point drop? That's it? Or did it not fully come out yet?
I mean, we got the drop, but that's really it, huh?
No way. That's all we get? We woke up for this? We woke up early and didn't take a shower for this?
Wow.
Yeah, that's kind of disappointing, isn't it? Huh. Our session low is 790s. We're at 810 right now. 792 is really our overnight lows. Huh. Yeah. That's weird, man. I almost thought for a
Yeah,
second
it
there was
was
just.
crazy as I thought.
Yeah, I thought maybe it was just a delayed report or something like that. Well, shoot. Huh. All right, well.
I mean, there's 80 points, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so. That's what I was just looking at too. I was like, okay, I guess she's falling. Just going kind of slow with it. Whoops. Nope. Yep, that was it. I had the smallest amount of drawdown left on that account. I was hoping that I could just get a quick little pop rip in one direction for PCE,
Yeah.
which didn't happen. All right, back to being conservative now. Well, shoot, man.
Come on, gang.
Right? What was that? I was I was expecting like a nice pop, some good continuation. Look at that. I'm even supporting Patrick today with my only prop
Oh
firm shirt
yeah.
on. You know? Shoot, man. And I just tried to short that too. I just tried to short that last move. I just again my drawdown. I was done with drawdown, but
Yeah,
would have
yeah.
worked out. Should have worked out. All right, so what's a good target for us then? If we're going to keep sinking, what would be potential support? I guess 748 might be a potential.
Let's see. Let me find all my stuff now.
I'm going to try one again, but put a stop right there. I don't know. target 700s or something. 8:33. It's only been 3 minutes now since the reaction.
Yeah, and this is kind of a little. This is kind of the bottom of the box, I guess. This 762.
Mm-hmm.
We kind of wicked through 750.
Yeah, so if we break this, we should go down to 708, it looks like. But who knows? Oh, shoot, that's the wrong button again.
Stop filled.
I like the support we're getting right there.
Yeah, I know, which is why I'm taking these stocks early now. Because I'm like, she's not breaking. Let's see, is this a double bottom or is it a fake out? I mean, you think at the least it'd still come up to the 9 at 800, so I'm probably going to get wicked regardless.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, you think it would keep going down. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I was just saying, careful your screen. All of your personal banking information is now released.
Yeah, they wouldn't get much.
They wouldn't get much. It's all in emails. It's all in prop accounts. Huh, are we going to get another leg or what? Nope, it's going to do the pop. Yeah.
Stop filled.
All right, reset time, reset time.
Okay, I got some charts now.
Well, VIX spiked, but now it's starting to fall a little bit. ES is just getting the tiniest little push up.
Yeah, I mean, this would make an awesome little bear flag right here, but I don't know if that's what it's going to do or...
Right. Well, now that it just wicked me out at the 9, it just makes sense. Now that, you know. All right, now we can go south. You son of a gun. Yeah, I kind of hate that I don't have after-hour trading on my triple Qs, NVIDIA, or any of that stuff. So I just see dead charts right now.
Yeah, we're just kind of blind, I guess.
Flying blind. That's how we like it. Man, look at me. I'm like a friggin' ghost here, too. We got that morning sun ripping through that window.
You got some light coming, yeah.
Yeah, dude, beaming off the lake. Look at that thing.
It was still dark here, so.
Yeah, it's an early morning for you, huh? So
I mean,
here
not
we go.
bad. I just had to get up a little early to feed the cow or the horses. I mean, so.
Yep. Yeah, we haven't let our animals out yet. Actually, it's 8:37 here, but our ducks, they lay. I feel like around 8:30, and if we don't let them lay, then they'll just like hold it in. It's the weirdest thing. Or they'll hide it somewhere. Yeah, they'll hide it somewhere on the property, and then we can't find them.
I mean, is this the reverse pullback right here?
Might be. A little triple bottom. We're just seeing a blank screen on your side, though.
Oh, what are we doing?
What are we doing here, he says. What are we doing here, friends? What are we doing? VIX is spiking back up, though. I don't know. ES is starting to curl down a little bit. I just don't want to get tricked again. That's literally where I just went short. Oh, you're short right now.
Yeah. Kind of as it pushed through that bottom. Probably was not just the best place to do it, but now it's going to find support again.
I mean, it seems like it wants to go. It seems like she wants to go. Break this leg. Break this leg. Break this leg.
Yeah, that was a little pop.
Oh my god. I laid down on my bed for half a second and I'm covered in hair.
Alright, yeah, that wasn't the move.
Well, here's the 9. Let's just see. Let's see if the 9 breaks it down again. Yeah, too funny, man. I literally did the same thing twice, right? I did it right here, got stopped out. I did it right here. This time I didn't put a stop. You know,
Yeah, I'll show you.
right? This time there's no stop. Timmy, no brakes. We're doing this one. And then look at that. I almost added in. I almost averaged down at 785, and then I was like,
Yeah, I
you
almost
know.
got back in right there,
But again, that was the mistake I was making yesterday where I'd like average down here. And then I'd be like, all right, well, the 21 will be support. I'll average down there. All right, the 45 at the least, you know, and then average, 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 average. Man, it's quiet in here, too. Do we even have anybody? We got 2 people watching right now. Hello, 2
There we go.
people. Hello, 2 early people. Kind of disappointed on this whole PCE day so far. I mean, I do agree that was at least a 100-point move.
Yeah.
I guess we were just on the kind of wrong side of it. There we go. Finally getting that push. Which, if we break 750s, then we got to break 749. I feel like we should at the very least come down to 710. Maybe a little resistance at like 737, little resistance, you know.
Well, I wish I'd have stayed in with you.
There we go. There we go. Little reaction down. Guess I'll finally put a stop on her. Man, or should I not put a stop? I'm always the worst with that. Nah. I guess we'll take it at 20 if we have to. But it'd be nice if it'd keep going.
Yeah.
I almost move this up to the halfway point instead, so it's a little safer. Come on, baby. Let's go. Can we get a 50-pointer? Come on, 2 people watching. You guys following this trade?
Got a pivot point at 727 and
I got
719.
stopped out. Yep, stopped out. Huh. Which, man, I was so on the fence about it. So let me think. What if I put my stop here at 760? I don't know. It's one of those things you just frustrate yourself for losing it, probably. Wow, ES is dropping pretty good, though.
I mean, we're starting to stair step, so we're not totally done, but
Shoot, man. So I got out at 742. Left 20 on the...
try small right there.
Oh, you're trying a little
Go
long
long
ski
over
right now.
Yeah.
Shoo. Trying a little long ski back up, he says. Well, as soon as you get out of your long, I might get into a short.
And there's 20.
Hell yeah.
2 off, got 2 left.
Hell yeah.
Just do it down here and see if it pushes up a little bit, maybe.
Getting some good base hits here, gang. Oh my god, I'm up $1.88. That was at least like $40 or something like that. $1.88. Man, we had a good push on the subscribers. I tried to make that video last night too. And it just like the good trades and stuff like that. Like you weren't talking, and then I weren't talking during it because you were like filming yourself and stuff. And I was like, ugh. I just couldn't really find a good one. And then I gave up kind of early, if I admitted myself. But I was hoping today would be a really good PCE one, but kind of a nothing burger there. Man, VIX
All right,
is...
so I just added into it on that push down. It moved my bottom up, but I put it at break even, and then I just added me an extra deal in there. So
nice.
see if we can get a little more into that. All right,
Little
there's
more of a
another one
push.
done. So now we're just kind of targeting that 9. See if we can get that little push to the 9.
Yep. 756. I mean, it looks good, man. Maybe even a 767.
Oh, let me pull right down. Let's see. I mean, we're kind of playing a bear flag anyway, so.
But again, man, the amount of times that these bear flags and bull flags haven't been playing out since like December, you know?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Just been a whole bunch of tees. Tees and flags. Tees and flags that go nowhere.
All right, hit my runner. Almost back to even now after that big loss. Down 64.
Nice. And what are you trading? MNQs again? Or NQs?
Yeah, I was
Oh,
in
yeah.
MNQs with you.
Yeah. I appreciate you, sir. Thank you for holding our hands during this trying time. Oh, shoot, man. There's your push-up.
Go figure.
Oh, man, I'm getting tennis elbow with all this manual labor lately. I'm so weak. You know, what is this? Good God. Turning 38 next month. As soon as I turned 30, everything just started going downhill so quick.
Wait till you hit 40. I think 40 is a big switch.
Oh,
I
God.
think it's the day of.
Don't tell me. Dude, it really is bananas, man. It's just crazy how quick that stuff just starts slipping.
So I mean, right here is kind of our wick through our 9. I mean, kind of want to see if we get a little rejection here. If we go back up and maybe touch it. Well, it almost looked like it did, but it didn't really. But
Think about a potential short for continuation down.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, VIX is still spiking. Yeah, I'm going to try one.
Filled.
And we're just kind of keeping stops a little tight again.
Stop filled.
Yeah, well, pretty damn tight. But now we're up $8 on the day.
Yay!
Did it. I knew we could do it. I knew we could do it, chat. Don't you doubt me. Man, 36.24. I got to slow down a little bit. So we broke a new session low. ES broke a new session low. VIX is still spiking up. Let's see if we get a reverse of your move, right? Halfway up and then push through this body for a continuation
and then
down.
the only thing that I'm kind of cautious of is it barely wicks through that other low there. So
Right. So don't want double bottom.
if it could push through, but I think your entry would have to be down here, like at the 25s, to see if it really drops through there. But now I kind of want to see this candle to close up here and get a retracement back down to like the 29
for a little long skis.
So it's support, yeah.
Yeah. I love it, man. Keep talking. You're saying the right things. I'm gonna have to mail you one of these. Little mini
Heck
YouTube.
yeah.
Little mini YouTube. Man, look at that. That's how
kinda
gross
like
I am
that
now.
there.
I'm a freaking working man now. Oh shit.
I'm just gonna try right there. I'm gonna do my stop below the low. This may be a fake out right here, but should have waited just a hair maybe. But
yeah, I don't like how VIX is spiking.
as long as 729 holds, there you go.
Order filled.
So it tested that 29 one more time. The 9's going to give us a little bit of a problem.
Yeah, it's curling down on us.
You know. Hey, we popped back right back up to the 29. Candle's fixing to close, so we're kind of getting that 50-second push here. This next candle may be a little problem for us, but
Come on. Got 13 seconds left. Come on. Come on, give us the push. Push, 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 push.
Yeah, make us a shelf right there. I mean, we got a pretty nice shelf at the 29-30 area.
Yep.
Stop fill.
Boom.
Take
Nice,
one right
man.
off right there at the 9.
Nice
Well, I'm gonna
friggin'
try, I
call.
guess. I'm trying to pick it off.
Nice friggin' call. Can we get 758? Can we get the top of that wick?
Yeah, let's
Can
see
we
if
get the top
that.
of that wick? Can we get the top of that wick? Come on, chat. Let's get the top of this wick. Let's hit that 21. Where's your stop? Mine's probably a little bit too high. I have my stop at 734.
I just got it at break even.
Yeah, shit. I should probably
Just
do
seeing
that
if we
to
get
you.
that push. I mean, I took 2 off earlier. Then when it came back down, I had 2 left. I added another 2.
Nice.
Took them off. So
Machine gun cowboy. Pop, 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 pop.
yeah,
So good at it, man. You're so good at it. The friggin'
I just try to watch these shelves and just just hope that those shelves are actually like right there. I mean, if you come back and look, it's hindsight now, but every time we pop back above that 29, so that's
Right.
kind of what I wanted to use. And I like that it was 29 and our low was 21, so
Right.
we could give it 10 points and it wouldn't be terrible.
Come on, baby. All right. Well, I moved my stop to the bottom of that wick now, 740.
Yeah, that's the best idea.
Come on, get there. 758. Just thinking, get there. You devil. Well, I'm already proud of myself for being a lot more patient today. What? There is not sufficient disk space to continue recording.
Oh no.
What? Right now we're having a phenomenal trade and I don't have enough disk space? I thought this all went to the cloud. Oh man, so now another thing I'm going to have to figure out. Who knows about the cloud? What's going on with my disk space? I got chat GTP stuff midstream.
Well, yeah, and see, that's what I didn't realize until you started saying it, that, when I was starting the stream, that I wasn't hitting record. So I wasn't actually recording it on my OBS. Look at there. There you
Oh,
go, chat.
hell yeah,
Look at that.
guys.
Target hit.
Woo! We did it. Oh, it's not recorded. Son of a bitch. It didn't happen. If it didn't record, it's not real. But yeah, I did that same exact thing, man. It was like my first week of streaming. I kept forgetting to hit start recording. And then you're right. I would only have the OBS stream, or if it live streamed to YouTube, you can eventually download the video, but then it's terrible quality. So, I know, man.
Yeah. So I
Nice
started
trade, though,
recording
gang.
after you told me that.
Nice friggin' trade.
Who doubted us? Who doubted us? I know Greg did for a second.
I did. For a second there. We got our $70, though. And full TP. Full TP hit. Not
Yeah,
bad
I
yet.
mean, almost to the perfect, right? I mean, I don't think we could have got any better. Oh yeah, yeah. Look where the last take profit was, guys. I mean, if I blow that sucker up, we took it at 759, and the high was 759.75.
Nice, man. Yeah, I mean, literally, that was perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect target, perfect hit, perfect call out. Now, VIX is starting to curl back down, just a tiny little hair. Man,
Yeah, I
again,
mean, we want to be careful here. This is a nice turnaround place, right? I mean, we kind of wicked that high.
Yep.
We took out some of the shorts that had their stop there, the market movers. So now maybe we get this pump down. So
Yeah. Well, and plus, 9 o'clock always gets finicky. I feel like 9 o'clock and I don't do pre-market sessions enough to really know what I'm talking about. Oh God. But it seems like 9 o'clock is always the reverse point. Like if it's going up, 9 o'clock it starts curling back down, or if it's going down, 9 o'clock it starts
Yeah.
curling back
Yep.
up. So it'll be interesting to see. I also wouldn't doubt with this flush from PCE if we rocket ship all the way up to like 8:58 in the morning, just to reverse the move. I don't know, purely that
Yeah.
to get that liquidity all the way up there.
And there's a new 5-minute candle. If you look at our previous 5-minute, there's no wick at the bottom of it either. So let's
Oh
try to keep
yeah.
that in.
Oh yeah. So then the thesis would be that it has to go down to clean those wicks up, right?
Yeah, I mean, in the next, 10, 20 minutes maybe.
Yeah.
Which I kind of this one too. This 5-minute here pushed straight up, and now it's coming back down. So to me, it kind of made that top wick,
Yep.
and now it's going to come down.
All right. Yeah, you convinced me. I'll try a little guy. I'll put the stop right above that wick, and then so the target would be then like 7:30, obviously.
Yeah, I mean, we want this 9 to break that 746 area.
Nah.
Yeah, so now that 9's trying to hold.
$7.47. $7.44. Yeah, I kind of purchased right at like the 5-minute support, resistance, blah, 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 blah. All right, slow down again, Greg. Slow down. Too fast.
I mean, it's not terrible. I mean, it's not, I mean,
Yeah, there's good thought.
Only 10 points or so.
Yeah, there's good
I mean,
thought behind it.
if it does go, I think our next resistance is 767 roughly.
Yeah.
764. So, but look, we're getting that push down. So the 21's pretty good rejection right here. So if we can just get back through the 9. If we can get back through the 9, then we need to go to 730s.
Right.
But it sure is trying to hold. And this may just be a little chop zone right here.
Yeah. Yep.
Order filled.
Come on. Let's get a little push back down, please. Just a little tap out. Bring that add-on stop down to break even, basically.
I mean, the 5 minutes just making a nice little bear flag setup, but
yeah.
the 1 minute kind of told me to enter at 752 and go long, but I'm not doing anything. We're going to get this short first.
We're going to get the short first. Dang it. Yeah, VIX is falling, though. ES is pumping. It's going to wick me. One last rejection. Can we get one last rejection? Nope.
Stop filled.
Shoot, man. Yeah, shoot. I didn't mean to stop you from going long there, bud.
Oh no, I kind of saw the way that was setting up, and we had that big green candle. Then this one, it kind of went halfway, but then it went farther, so I wasn't real sure. But
Yeah.
I mean, right here we should get a little rejection.
Yeah, it came up to the shoulder right here. Yeah,
It's not like
768.
it's not just like a jump in, but
Up to the 45. We got 10 seconds left before a brand new
I'll
1
try a
minute
little guy
candle.
right there just to see. And this isn't going to be a big move if it works, but see if we can get maybe 10 points.
Order filled.
Come on, push back down. Huh, VIX just gapped.
Oh, it really did, didn't it?
There we go.
There we go. Come on, push down. Push down for us. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Come on. Oh,
Stop filled.
you don't know how many times it did that to me yesterday.
Yeah. Just tease the
Oh.
shit out of you.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, just giving us some little teases.
There we go. TP hit again, guys.
Ugh.
Let's go.
Let's go. Live on the YouTubes. 9:01. So starting to form a little bit of a bull flag here, though. Again, VIX is still dropping. ES is still pushing. So maybe we're targeting the 784s now. I mean, again.
Yeah, I mean, look at the 921 crossover.
Yeah. And it just really looks like we're forming a inverse head and shoulders.
Well, I'm not scared. I'll try right there at the top.
Man, I was about to do the same thing, but then I was like, oh, maybe we should see if it breaks first, which is breaking right now. So I guess we're in a good position, right? He goes, I ain't scared. I ain't scared. There we go. Nice push so far.
Bringing one of my stops to even, just in case. I mean, I don't know why we wouldn't get 782, 783.
Yeah.
10 points down, 10 points up. It just makes sense.
Boom. Well, just got a little guy offer. Just got a little 10-point. No, not even a 10-point.
There you go.
Come on.
TP hit.
Nice,
Boom.
bud. Nice, bud.
Come on, guys.
Come on, gang. All right, so maybe a little rejection. This is our 80s. Maybe we get a little 80s rejection down to the 60s. Then we go long again.
Yeah, I mean, I think
60s.
we have to, right? I mean, look at all that rejection we had before, so we have to get a pullback.
Yep. VIX kind of lost its support, so VIX might be going down pretty good. Man, I keep my stuff way too zoomed out, don't I? I'm always like this. I'm always doing one of these.
Oh, it's hard for me when I get to a certain point,
Yeah.
and I find myself not being in too much, but I try to keep these boxes as 5-point boxes, and so it's hard for me to, when we have big rangy days, then sometimes they're 10 or 20 points, and
No, I know
I still
it.
have in my mind that it's 5.
Uh-huh. Yeah, right. And you get screwed up real quick.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh. That's a good parameter though. I never thought about that. I never really looked at it and paid attention enough to see like, oh, what is a good window? But you're right. The if you're targeted by the fives, you can see everything pretty
Yeah, because
good.
then I know 2 boxes is 10 points. You know, that's kind
Yeah.
of how I.
Yeah, I like it. Oh man, right? Come on, man. I was an economics major too. You know, like that's something. Numbers have always been kind of my thing and stuff like that, and chartings and graphs and stuff like that. And here I am. I just didn't even notice it. I just never even paid attention. I thought they were just like just lines on a page. You know? Oh, it makes sense. 2 boxes is 10 points. You know? Here's my
Well,
entry.
yeah,
Let's
and if
wait
you
till it
have
goes
to get
two
it,
boxes.
if you have to get it so big that they're 2 points, then you know you're in trouble.
Yeah. Interesting, man. I love it.
And I don't get to look back far enough, so I find myself a lot of times trying to shrink stuff real fast. So it's not the best. So on my other page that I have my other trade evade on, I have it a little bit smaller. And then
Yeah.
of course my trading view, you know, I have it usually on a 5 and 15. I
Right.
just got my quick tabs, but
Yep. Yeah. Usually I just have my five right above me blown up.
yeah. See, so that's basically how mine looks. But then you have a screen that has like all four, you have like 4 charts or something on it, don't you?
Yeah. Correct. Well, five.
Or
Right.
6 or 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to do that. That'd be better. I just have all my tabs up top, so I can click NVIDIA, VIX, ES,
Right.
real quick, and then I can pull up, you know, the list, of course,
And then I got
some of
my
my favorites.
my 1 hour, 4 hour. Which this is screwed
I
up
mean,
a little
shoot, we
bit
could have
actually.
10 pointed this to death, Chad. I mean, we got
Yeah.
10 points down, we got 10 points up. Greg called it out at the 80s, another rejection. We could have got another 10 points down.
Yep. Oh shoot! I didn't realize. Yeah, it just kissed our 60s there, which is where I wanted to go long again. But I guess we need a little
Yeah.
bit of confirmation.
Yeah, I mean, there's not, we want to see this candle close green, but our stop would have had to be probably 50 or lower.
Ugh. Ugh.
So see if we get this little pullback. I'm going to try right there. I'm going to put my stop just below this wick, because if it wicks down here, it's going to be invalid anyway. So
Right.
Order filled.
probably should have waited for it to touch the 9, but
Stop chomping your teeth at me, man. This poodle, man, is the craziest thing. Like, to get, like, your attention, he'll chomp his teeth as hard as he friggin' can. Chomp, 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 chomp. Stop chomping your teeth.
yeah, see right back down. See if this holds. This is our only hope is the 65s.
Come on.
I mean, the 5 minute probably tells us not to do anything, but it's kind of at the bottom of that box.
Yeah. Come on.
If that 9 wasn't in the way right there, it'd just push right through.
Right. Still, it almost makes a lot of sense that we're going to range at least back up to 773.
Right.
As long as we don't get wicked. What time is it? We got 10 seconds left of this.
Yeah, I really don't want it just to come wick straight down and then
Ah, like that.
like that.
Yep. All right. A stinking thing. Oh shit, you're still in it. I got wicked out.
Well, I dropped it down. It's just going to take more of my money though. So
Yeah.
I mean, the 5's still pushing straight down.
Yeah.
The 921 starting to cross back over. So that 80 area, that short on the 80s would have been a
Yeah, that would
better
have been a good
bet.
short, huh? Yeah, that would have been a good short.
Yeah.
We might get support now though. 754. That might be good support. Oh
Yeah,
shit!
one
Of
point
course,
after,
of
yeah.
course, of course. Right. Well, VIX is starting to spike. Ooh, so this would be a good sign for a short, wouldn't it? It just turned green for a
Yeah,
sec.
you
Wait
don't
the
have to kind
halfway
of come up
point.
and touch that. Kind of go up, touch our candles up there, our EMAs.
Oh yeah. Man, I was hoping for a momentum play, which I gotta stop doing because they do not work out. All right, we're just gonna get out of this one. There we go.
Order filled.
Hey, another TP hit.
Hey.
All right, we're gonna go make our tea really quick. I haven't had tea in forever.
Football.
That's the problem. That's why we're not trading good. We need our tea.
I mean, look at that, guys. We're getting right back down finally. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 minutes. Now we're kind of coming down to fix that wick at 731. Kind of get that push. I think we got to get a little wick through there, right, to clean that up.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Who's in the short? Who's in the short?
Nobody.
Yipes! What the heck?
I was just kind of telling the chat. I mean, look, we're coming down and cleaning up that wick now that we talked about 4 candles ago. So
Oh,
20
yep.
minutes,
Yep.
and now we're cleaning up that candle. So
Dude, fucking smart, man. Smart. Smart guy. Man, so Big Daddy Mac style, we've been short since the 80s. Look at that short. We called that short out at the 80s. You can't see my screen, guys. Man, not to dog him, because I do
feel
like
free to
those
go ahead
guys.
and take off 50 points right there.
Right? Exactly. Some W's in the chat. Hey, driving obsession.
Good morning, driving this section. Good to see you.
Man, always our first. I would say you're about like 80% of the time our first, man.
Yeah.
Which is nuts today that we started 45 minutes ago. We've got nobody.
Yeah, you missed the 8 blown up accounts.
Right?
You hit the you missed the 10 100-point trades.
Yep. Literally, Mr. Trading Cowboy here ordered a Lamborghini on stream. Flex of all flexes. Ooh!
Oh.
There we go. Cleaning up that wick real strong now. Down to the 718s on an hourly. What do we have again? Yeah, so I mean that 702 is what we talked about a while ago. Oh shoot, you're long.
Well, don't do it. I just punched it because when it drops like that, I don't know, my finger glitches. And...
Yeah, I get it, man. Dog chasing a car. At least you do it the right way. I usually chase it in the direction it's going, and I'm almost always wrong. You chase it in the opposite direction, you always get some really good pops. Huh. It'll be interesting to see what we do with market open. 80% win rate, says D.O. I love it.
Heck yeah. Not a terrible short idea right there, but we have the 702, 703.
Yeah, it's just close.
694.
It's close, and your stop is 740, so I'd almost rather be in the long right now than the short. But it seems like it's one of those could go in either direction type things.
Yeah. It doesn't look good for the long, so.
Ooh, maybe let's get a little music in here. We need a little ambiance.
There we go. Now we feel better. Now it can do whatever it wants.
Now we're good. Now we got that BO. That BE, break even. That PE.
All right.
Oh yeah, out of it. As soon as you got out, I was like, maybe I'll punch one. Maybe I'll punch it.
I mean, with this candle's fixing to close, so if it does the pullback,
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I mean that big drop. I mean, we're long and bear flags here, guys. So take
We're
that
doing
for what
silly
it sounds
shit.
like.
We're doing silly. Alright, I got my tea. Now we're ready to win. Oh man, my hair is just kind of nuts today. Maybe we should just stream with bad hair day today. Maybe that's what brings in the views.
Hey, I think I'm fixing to go put my hat on so I can put my... That's the bad part about wearing a cowboy hat, guys. When you got a nice comfy chair, you can't put your head all the way back. You got to take your hat off.
You gotta take the hat off for it. There, I'm gonna stream like this today, like nothing's wrong. What's up, guys? Welcome to Swing Your Sim.
That's just from doing 2 tours of NQ.
That's just doing.
Greg just served 2 tours in NQ.
Literally, man.
2026.
There we go. There we go. We're almost looking like a guy again. All right, let's do it. So we have a nice, beautiful bear flag on the 1 minute. ES is losing its support. VIX is still going up. Do we chase the stinking bear flag? Whenever we chase anything, it usually doesn't work out. We got a brand new 5 minute in 1 second. Let's see what she does.
Order filled.
Trying to keep it tight because again, 703 would be kind of the target though, which is dumb with this friggin' short right now.
Which Greg has been calling out for the last 30 minutes.
We finally got a nut. The squirrel finally got one. Man, that's my
Look at
thing.
that. I mean, look at where it bounced. I mean, it bounced right on your 703.
Yep. I might have to switch from like a scalper to like a. Is there somebody here? Switch from a scalper to like a long, like a, I don't know, like what is it called? Higher time frame trader. Maybe I'm a higher time frame trader. Maybe I need to get off the 1 minute completely. Switch over to like the 15, and I'm only making like, you know, a trade. You're holding the trade for an hour, something like that.
Yeah.
So next week will be longs only for a couple days, right? We'll do like longs only for the first 3 days, or maybe the whole week if we do well at longs only.
And he's going to be holding it for an hour, so he's going to do 2 trades on the screen.
Yeah. Oh, that thing's huge. What color is that?
Yeah, it's like there's only one though.
Ah, show it on camera. We got a colored egg finally. I mean, it's kind of gross. It's not a. We got to do it like this. Yeah.
Your fix to the pipe didn't work
So which one?
at the barn. It's dripping all down the wood soaking wet.
Aww.
So you're gonna want to fix that like ASAP.
Yeah, shoot. Man, it was one of those things, the very last one that I put in, I didn't have a ladder, and I was like, fucking, god damn it. Stupid PVC. Ugh. Do 1 MNQ long and just add each day. You may be good. Just add each day.
Yeah,
dude, I know, literally. I mean, that might be the concept, right? Maybe, like, so next week we'll do longs only. Week after, maybe we'll do higher time frame trades only. That could be a kind of cool. Yeah. Now, it will be interesting because you're right. It'll be like, we'll enter a trade, and then you just literally have to live in that trade for like an hour or something like that, you know? Which might be a boring stream, but maybe it won't be too stressful.
I mean, right now, if you went long on an hourly, you could be in right here at 710. Your stop would have to be below. It'd have to be a 100-point stop.
Yep.
80-point stop.
Yep, like 644 you could be, or 600, yeah.
But then you could target 820.
Yeah. It's kind of interesting, right? Hey, morning, Mark. Yeah, DO could be profitable.
Morning,
I mean, honestly, that's the whole kind of like Alex G, set it and forget it. That would be his style.
Yeah.
Which is interesting that just so many people don't really try it because it just feels, I don't know, it's hard. You know, it's hard to sit in a trade that you see it stair-stepping, 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 stair-stepping. $22 away from passing the Lucid. $60 yesterday, $22 today. Shoot, man. That's so
Mark,
stinking close. Man, I mean, Mark, you should do what we're talking about right now. You should just go long on 1 MNQ and hold it till the 830s. I know we're trending down. I know we are, but hear me out.
I mean, that's the hardest part, right? $22 away. Even if you did 1 micro, you need 12. You need 12 points to be safe. Man.
No, I know. It gets so frustrating too, because
12 points for my life.
And then the shitty thing is when you're in drawdown, is when you're in like, you know, $20 a drawdown on that micro, and you're like, it's It's only $20, so it's not that
Yeah.
bad. But now you're like 40 points away. You're $40 down, and then you try to hold it a little bit longer. Then all of a sudden you're 60, and then you're like, okay, now I'm gonna put 2 or 3 on to. Yeah, blah 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 blah. What time is it? I'm losing track. 9:24. Welcome to Sink or Swim Trading with our special guest, Mr. The Trading Cowboy, killing it with his trades here.
Good morning, guys. Good
And
morning.
we are 5 minutes early. I'm only trading 1 micro on this eval today. I will not blow it up. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that a boy. That a boy.
And then the other thing is I'd probably wait, right? I'd probably wait until like 9:40 to make that trade.
Oh, yeah,
You know, let
easy
the first
after,
10
easy
minutes.
after, yeah.
Yeah, let the first 10 minutes of the dust settle. You know, and then just pop a nice little easy layup. Why wait when you can get that at 9:30? I mean, you're right, bud. You're right. Man,
Hold
that
on,
would just
we're gonna
make my
have to throw
heart
your
jump,
screen
though,
in here
right?
So we can watch it.
Yeah, dude. Oh, I know. Yeah, we need to. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is cool. That was one of my dumb thoughts this morning. Is that I think we should buy 8 more.
But why 8 more? I don't think we should buy that.
So, ew.
I was
Unfortunately,
thinking like 3 or 4.
I was thinking the perfect number for us would be 15. So I was thinking do 8 more in case. Yeah, because one's probably gonna die in transit, and then one's gonna probably get eaten by a coyote, and you
So
know.
maybe we'll do 4 at a time though, because I don't want to have a huge pool in our garage again.
Yeah.
I want to do the tiny tub
Yeah.
and only have
Yeah.
4 in there at a time.
Well, yeah. We'll just see what the price breakdown was, because last time it was like buy 8 get 2 free or something.
Well,
You
no,
know?
we bought more because we didn't want to pay for the special shipping box.
Yeah.
This one I want to take care of.
But I would probably do them all pecans though, because I think that people will pay more money for the big ones, and they'll just like it better, because that's 1.5 times the size of a chicken is.
Well, I would get 4 pecans and 4 different ones.
You said you only wanted to get 4.
4 at a time.
All right, let's start with 4 pecans. Pecans. Yeah. All right, love ya. See if it's Tractor Supply time.
It is! I could go there and get them! I could take the boys there, and we could get them.
Well,
They
make
got
sure
'em
you.
the first week of February.
Which means that they're already fucking gone. Today's the 20th, babe. There's no way there's.
No, they get them like every week for like months.
Oh, okay.
Should I get a turkey too?
Maybe. But call them to make sure first before you get all excited. And see what day they get them delivered and stuff like that.
They get delivered.
Ah, man. Freaking tennis elbow. Sorry about that, gang. A little duck conversation for you. Our duck business is booming. Actually, I mean, people are paying $5 for 4 eggs. Pretty expensive.
Oh yeah. I'd have more than 15 then.
Yeah.
I'd have
But
a
they're
whole
selling
duck farm.
Yeah, they're selling them quick too. People are buying. Like we always sell out at the farm stand every weekend.
Ooh.
Good
That
reaction
open
down.
just
928.
dropped straight down.
Jenny, I can't hear shit over here with you.
Would have been the perfect buy if I'd have had my hand on the mouse. But
Yeah, man, all the way down to 704. That was our 703 tap basically again.
and it was the second it opened, Greg. I mean, it opened right here at 720 and just went boom and then right back up. I mean, it was so fast.
You know what I'm wondering? Kind of like a PCE thing, a PCE play almost. Could you do a buy for 930? Could you do a buy at 740 and a sell at like 770? And would that work? Like, I feel like that first candle usually is such a fast trajectory candle. Should we try one?
I'll do whatever you want, man. Let's go. Your channel.
Jetty, Jesus Christ, I can't hear with that frisbee. I feel bad he's having so much fun, but or is it better to go short? I don't know, man. Or should we just wait for the first 5 minutes?
I mean, Mark said 930. So.
Oh my god. I can't hear shit right now. I feel bad because they have so much fun. I don't want to take it away from them. All right, we got 30 seconds left. What is the game plan?
I'm
Up
gonna
or
try
down?
right there. I
You
don't
what?
care.
Oh, you took
I'm
a long
in.
skis?
I'm gonna set my stops right here. If we get the rocket, if it stops me out, I'm gonna get right back in though. So I don't know why I'm having my stops there. But
All right, we'll try it. We'll try to get the 770s. Got 5
3
seconds
guys.
left.
2, 1.
5 seconds left.
Oh,
Shoot,
It
shoot,
stopped
shoot,
me.
shoot, shoot, shoot. Which way, 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 which way? Oh, shit. I mean, I got quick, like 10. I got your 10 points, Marco. And I'm glad I got stopped out. Holy shit.
it wouldn't even let me get out.
No. Alright, now we gotta wait a sec, man. This is a little too volatile. Look at this candle dancing to the beat right now. Oh, trading cowboy switching over to NQs.
Well, it hurt that account a little bit, so now we're just gonna try to.
Oh, guys, this gets exciting. Listen, when trading cowboy switches from MNQs because he's down on the day to NQs, you're about to see some crazy shit. Which show us. What are you down on right now so that they can see? What are you down on right now?
626.
626. Watch this get
And that was
chewed
with-
up.
That was with 3 micros, I think, just on that pull right there.
Yeah, yeah. Dude, look at this wick though. Look at this 930 wick now. It came all the way down to 677. Which makes no sense. Unless she's just gonna friggin' rocket ship now. Yeah, we're definitely gonna rocket ship now, I think. Man, it's just so tumultuous to try to play these wicks right now. It's kind of nuts.
Yeah, I mean, it really needs to clear that 737, but then I feel like it's going to be too late. I mean,
Yeah, I know it. 770 is just gonna get hit so fast. Look at this. Yeah, it's just not. It's gambling at this point. You know, we're getting all excited. We gotta slow down for a sec. So Nvidia has a gap to the upside. Q's dropped like a rock, but it's going back up. Here's our 770 right there. Yep. Kaboom.
yeah, look at that. 100 points off the bottom.
Yeah. Phew.
So our long would have played out.
Yep.
Should have just held it.
Yep. So here's our 780 resistance. Let's see what we do with the 80s here. We have the 200 up here at 803 as well, so a little bit of caution now. Which VIX is dropping pretty darn good. ES is still popping up. W-shaped recovery there. Our data news dropped us from 859s. Shoot, we're at the 200 right now. Oh man, I almost want to short at the 200. Ugh. Which is probably not a good idea because I was about to go long. Going long is probably smarter than going short right now. Because it definitely seems like it wants to go up to 857. Yeah, man, you heard me. We're bouncing off the 200 right now, so I almost stinking went short.
We'll see that 200, and I don't know, this was kind of our bottom. This blue line I drew was kind of our bottom this morning.
Yeah.
And it just continued on, and now it's kind of resisting right there, so I don't know, man. Got 19 to the high.
Alright, I'm just going to try to get a quick one out of it. Which I'm being a little bit too slow with my stops now. Yep. Come on, you devil. Man, it's still a little bit too volatile for me, you know? These are moves that could probably play out, but it's just dancing so stinking quick. I mean, we're 9:34.
Yeah.
We're still early. Yep, there's our push down. I got out at 8:04. Let's see. VIX is still going down. Wow, NVIDIA filled this gap instantly. Had a huge push up to fill its gap.
Yeah, you know, if it kind of comes back down to that 187.33, it may get a
Oh, and my
lift out here.
OBS says it's disconnected. Well, hopefully we're still streaming.
Oh no, you know what? We're not. Well, hold on, maybe not that now. Okay, I think we're back in now.
Alright.
Yeah, you were froze for a second.
Damn, dude, I froze at the worst time. Look at that stinking candle. Thanks, guys. Marco Dio, still here. Love it. What'd you decide, Mark? Did you pull the trigger on anything yet, man? Are we sitting back? You still watching? What are you thinking?
Don't do it, Mark. Don't do it.
Dude, son of a bitch, though. So again, I need to stop being a 1 minute trader, and I need to go to the farther time frames, because 10 minutes ago we said we should long here at the 700s and hold to the 820s, and here we are at the
Hey,
8
look at that.
friggin' 60s.
Yeah.
No, I'm not trying to go degen on my last 20 bucks. Yeah, I agree,
Yeah.
man. It's way too stinking volatile right now.
Yeah, may take 4 days to get that 20 bucks back.
Yep. Try 2 minute. The 2 minute is much clearer. I've tried the 2 minute before, man, and it just never I don't know, I never loved it. You know, I'm gonna live
I
with
keep
it.
the 2 minute on mine just for a lot of times just the bull flag may play out a little bit better, I think, but
Yeah,
it does give you a little bit more patience, but not a lot.
right. Marcos, I brought this account back from $26 away from blowing it up. That's so impressive,
Oh,
man. So when you were $26 away, were you doing NQs, MNQs? What was the sizing? What did you do? Was it basically you just did one trade and it was zero drawdown and it was a big trade, so that got you out quick? Or was it a lot of little, you made 30 bucks here, then cashed out, 30 bucks, cashed out, got a buffer, then went? Give us your story, sir. So we rejected off 890s. We came all the way up here to the 900s. Yeah, I mean, 1 hour we're forming a nice bear flag. It looks like we might want to come up and tap 907, but we're basically there already, so not too helpful. Charles, good morning, boys. Personally, 5 minute candle is my go-to. Yeah, I know it, man. I mean, again, like 3-4 weeks ago when I was trading a lot better, I was going off the 5 minute a lot, and now I notice myself not going it off it as much. But in all honesty, it's also because I'm trying to, you know, I'm learning trading cowboy style instead. I mean, you know, truthfully, you got a good style with the candle setups you're looking for, which would be based off the 1 minute. I don't. Have you ever tried to base it off the 2 minute or no?
It's a little bit harder for the quick momentum push
Right.
right off of it for sure. But
And that's what I've found is that I'm either not too good in long trades or I have to change my mind that yes, this is going to be an hour-long trade and we're just sitting in it regardless of what happens. So
yeah,
I think
you know,
for
kind
the
of for the
yeah
kind of for the momentum, you have to know like, okay, I want this candle to close here,
yeah
and I want that next candle. So you got to be a candle ahead almost to see if you get that.
right.
and you can't hesitate because hesitate could be 5 points.
Oh, right, or 10 point. It just screw up the entire trade right there.
Yeah.
So, Mark, it was a lot of small trades, and then when I got about 200 away from the minimum balance, started getting a little more aggressive, and then, nice, dude, very nice. I tried to do that this morning, admittedly, with one of my other accounts. I was down to about the same thing. I had about $87 left on it, and I tried to YOLO the PCE news, and man, I just went in a little bit too heavy with that drawdown. I think I went in with maybe like 10 micros or something like that. But I tried to do it on a momentum push so that there wouldn't be any drawdown. And instead it wicked me, you know. It went up, not even a lot. It went up maybe like 5 points. So the 5 points popped me. It went to like 110 or something like that when I had 87. And then instantly went down and dropped down another like 80 points or whatever it was. And I'm like, fuck.
Yeah.
So it could have worked, just it was a little too tight, too aggressive.
So we got the 200 sitting right there at 888. We're trying to pop through here somewhere. I don't know.
Wait, you have an 888? I have my 200 at 807, but that's on the 1 minute. So you mean on the 5 minute?
I'm on the 5.
Oh, okay, on the 5. Do I even
Yeah, the
have
1
that?
minute I got it at 806.75. Yeah. Sorry, in my trading view, it's on the 5 minute all the time. So
Yeah. And do you pay attention to the 200 or the 21 more on the 5?
the only thing I use really on the 5 is I have the 14 and 21, and I use those just as crossovers, kind of.
Oh, okay.
Kind of tell me if I'm long or short or how far away they are. But really, I focus on the 200, the VWAP, and then some of the pivot points.
Yeah. Which I don't even think I have the pivots on my 5.
A nice little pump there, right to it.
All the way up to the 920s. Let's see if we get a 920 rejection. So session highs, Asian high 955, London high 983, and obviously overnight high for us 985. So at this point, shoot, man, I mean, it's always hard. It's hard to just chase these for continuation.
Yeah, I mean, we should have been in at the latest the 70s just on that previous candle. I mean, we had our little boner candle, we had the pullback, no wick on the top, it wicked down to 61. I mean,
yeah,
we should have been a player there for sure.
and here's our 20s rejection. Oh no, never mind, it went all the way up to 950.
Yeah, that 943 was the 50% above yesterday's box. That's kind of where we had some rejection yesterday, so getting that pull down right back below the 200, or right to it.
Charles, long from 487. Come on, Charles, where was the call
Come
out?
on.
What the hell is 487? 3 days ago? When did you get 487? You lying son of a bitch. Forming another little bull flag, 847. Yeah, sorry, Charles. I went a little aggressive on you, bud. I know. I didn't mean to just tear you to pieces there, bud. Nice friggin' hold, though, man. 847. Calm down, Greg. Yeah, dude, 847. Beautifully done, man. I mean, that's what we literally talked about. We should have done that, too. That was our.
Yeah, I mean, that was definitely our shelf, right? We played that several times this morning.
Yep.
We kind of found that shelf, found it, and just bought right in, right at it, and they were
Yep.
beautiful trades.
Which, and oddly enough, too, look at my chart. That's my weird VWAP compared to yours. Was right there.
Oh yeah, right at the. See, I don't understand that. We have
I
the exact
don't.
same ones.
Yeah, I don't get it either, man. It's the market makers.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you're on NQ, right?
Oh yeah, I am now.
That's
But
maybe
we're usually
why.
not.
I wonder if that's the difference.
Let's see. Why does it make it so
I don't.
small?
It's so annoying, right? It's so dumb every single time. Oh yeah, that's it. Well, kind of. I mean, it's still off a little bit. It's off just a little,
Yeah,
isn't it?
Yeah, because I mean, right now mine's at 822.
Yeah, yeah. Mine's at 846. Yeah, that's silly.
What in the world?
All right, so again, this might be your setup setting up for us. Getting our bull flag push. Nvidia's still getting a nice push. Oh, I would have liked it to come back to the 9, but I kind of want to go long.
I mean, we got our 984, right? Was that our?
Yeah, correct.
is that
That's
our
kind of the
high?
target. That would be the target. ES is turning a little bit red though, so I guess let's give it a sec.
Charles, one micro holding to 25,000. And we got to get that 25.
Damn, one micro hold to 25. Huge trade, Charles. See, that's what I'm talking about, man. I gotta do higher time frame trades. And here we go, friggin' ripping up to our 985s.
Order filled.
Not to chase it, but also thinking maybe this will be a higher time frame trade though. This would be a friggin' huge stop now, 677. You don't want to do that. So hopefully we just get a nice push after we friggin' YOLO'd at the top here.
So the top of our box is set, so 949 roughly.
Yeah, darn. Darn it, darn it, darn it. $8.45. Ooh. $8.74.
Order filled.
Yeah, shoot. It's gonna come down. She's coming down now. Gonna walk away. I don't want to micromanage this trade. Set it and forget
Yeah.
it, baby.
That's the hard part about the longer time frames for sure.
So
Especially when you get
hard.
up, you know, 50, 60 points, you're like, okay.
Time to take it.
What am I doing?
Time to take it. Oh, I know it, man. Oh, I know. I know. Even this. I've been in this trade for 2 minutes, and I'm like, ah! You know? I don't want to be in it anymore.
And that's why I feel like with micros, you got to buy like 3
Right.
So you can at least take some off as it, you know. You can
Yeah,
get
to
10
make you
points
feel
and maybe 30 or
better
40, and then
about
the
it.
other one, you're like, okay,
Shit.
let's see if it'll go.
Yeah, shoot.
So hard.
Do do do. So maybe we'll come back down to test 848 now. Test our VWAP here. And our blue line.
Yeah, I mean, it could bounce right here, but I'd like to see the 855 maybe, kind of where we should have got in before.
Yeah,
and see if
man, look at
really
that.
holds.
Look at that perfect entry.
Nailed it, guys. Look at that.
Nvidia curling down just a little. Should be some support here. We're right at the 21.
Yeah, I mean, I like that action there.
Hey,
About
Miguel.
26.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, Miguel.
Good
Yeah,
morning.
let's see if we can get a push up. Top of the morning, buddies.
Heck yeah.
Buddies.
Ah, was that our candle? We missed it. Maybe not.
Got another one in 20 seconds. Crazy, it took out Asian highs perfectly. Woo! But then didn't touch the Londons. Hey, Bull vs. Bear, how my BA trading guys doing this morning? We're doing good, sir. We're doing well. We're having
Yeah,
a
we're
good
not doing
day.
bad.
We've been here since PCE, which PCE was a little bit of a nothing burger for us. Ah, motherfucker, you went in?
Should have put my
I don't know
cowboy
you
hat on.
Ah. I missed that entry.
All right, out of the trade, out of the trade.
Wow,
How do we
quickie.
do, cat?
What'd you
Only
get?
down $16 now.
Yo, mummies! Dang it, man! I
that
missed that trade. I was watching it too and waiting. I knew it was getting close.
Yeah, so you can kind of see right there. I mean, I bought it just right at the bottom of that body there. As soon as it pushed down, I just set my entry right there.
Mm-hmm.
So 860s, wrote it up to 90, so 30 points.
Hell
Bada bing,
yeah.
bada boom.
Boom.
And guys, I was having to be patient for that because we got down, what, 676 a while ago? I think it was
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So,
Boom. Boom. Not bad.
is that not crazy though? Now I can switch back to the micros.
Now I can go back to MNQs.
That's the problem I have, Mark. I mean, I can lose 500 or 600 with micros and then get it back in one trade on NQ, and then I go back.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Mark.
Yeah, Mark!
That's off to you,
Ew!
Mark. Let's go, buddy.
What'd you
Heck
take?
yeah.
Well, was it a long or was it a short? Which one? What ended up passing it for you?
Lie to me, Mark. Tell me you just followed my trade.
He did. 100% he followed that trade. We probably didn't because I was freaking talking. Nobody even noticed it, man. Saw that big wick on the last green candle and shorted it. Nice, dude.
Oh, nice.
So literally, you sold him. So
He traded me.
Trading Cowboy sold you his shares. That was perfect.
Yeah. And I love that too. I mean, me and Greg were talking about it this morning. I mean, this is clearly a bear flag, right? And the old Trading Cowboy buys those. I long the bear flags.
Yeah, dude, 100%. And I mean, every single time has been a very solid reaction up. That's what I said. It's a good style, because for the most part, it's generally speaking quick as well. You know, so you kind of get in and out. So starting to form a beautiful bull flag on NQ, though we don't have confirmation yet. That's why you have to watch the candles build. The candles started out with a lot of momentum, then just lost it. Yeah.
Yeah. And that's why I think I trail a lot of those instead of trying to hit a TP.
Yeah.
Because I know I'm playing with fire a lot of times.
Man, so 3 like little hammer candles in a row here.
Man, it looks really good off the 861s right there, but I didn't know. But then we're getting these wicks down, and a lot of people say, oh, that's support, but I kind of see it when they're kind of different like this, and this one went a little lower. I mean, I'm kind of thinking we get a little push down, but...
All right. Maybe push down to your
But we're-
VWAP.
Nvidia kind of gave up, but it's right at that 87.33 pivot point we talked about a while ago, and it bounced off of it before. VIX is green but looks weak. But what did we learn too? Don't short it into VWAP.
Right.
Which
Man,
I kind
yeah,
of want
just-
to do, but
It seems like there's a lot of support right here.
it does. I really don't want it to give up.
Yeah.
The back candle kind of made a lower, not lower than this 52, but these 4
Yeah, I
weeks we
see
have
it.
now, that was a lower. I like that right there. I'm just gonna try one right there. Stops below here. We'll trail it a little bit if it gets a big pump. We're not gonna get that pump now. Come on. I mean, I don't know why I got right in at the 9, but
I mean, VIX is going down. It seems like as long as Nvidia can find support right now, which it should.
alright, one out at 10 points. The other one's a break even. No, don't come down and get it. I'll chase it. Get out of the way.
Got a
Come
new
on.
hour candle coming in 50 seconds here.
Give us that 50-second push we always talk about.
That 50-second
Thank you.
push.
There's another almost 20 there. Come on.
Order filled.
Push up for us. There we go.
There we go.
There we go, guys. Look at that.
Woo!
Look at that, guys.
Not bad.
All right, I'm out right there. I think my last one took out around 902, 903.
Beautiful.
Look at that, chat. Now we're up 700 bucks. We were down 700. Now we're up 700.
Woo! Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, look at that
Whoa.
candle there. Don't we have some news? Didn't we have some little news at 8:45 and 9 o'clock? Oh my gosh, look at that, guys.
Man, and again, my computer just froze on a huge red candle. That entire wick down, my computer just froze on that. So I thought we were slushing. Damn, I didn't know we had 10 o'clock news. I didn't think it was at least important. New home sales, consumer sentiment. Okay. Yeah, consumer sentiment, I guess, gives a little... Damn, they like the sentiment, though. It's going up.
I'm glad we got out
Yeah.
12 seconds before that.
Yeah, me too. Though at the same time, it's actually going in the right direction now. Though
Yeah.
the stops would have gotten hit, for sure.
Yeah.
Which, man, not to chase this big old candle, but let's see if we can keep getting it pushed. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Go, Greg, go. Go, Greg, go.
Yeah, unfortunately
Go,
got
Greg, go.
friggin' snagged though. I almost shouldn't have had. I shouldn't have had a sell.
Oh, no. Look at that push.
Damn it, dude. Yeah, it got me out. It got me out at 49. It literally would have been 100 points.
There's the 25s. Take it off. Take it off, Charles.
Oh my God. Yeah, Charles. Tell me you have that still,
My man.
Charles. Tell me you have that. Monster friggin' trade, bud. Damn it, though. Well, the same thing. I would have gotten 100 points if I didn't have that fucking sell. I got that thing so close. What a friggin' pump.
Oh. Wow, guys.
What a stinking pump, man. I mean, now we could target the hundreds. We could definitely target the hundreds. There's only 20 away. Here's 80s, though. Ooh. Do we get a rejection at 80s?
Yeah. I'm glad you had it set.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, nice pull.
Trade of 8's not working.
Is it not?
Uh-oh. I just tried to do a quick short. Because we hit the 80s.
Oh, yeah, mine's not working either.
Oh, shit.
Beautiful money candle. Yeah, Miguel, for sure.
Uh-oh. Well, hopefully I'm still in that short. That'd be nice. Though it obviously would have to exit. I'm guessing it never took. Damn it.
Huh.
Alright, and I'm going to have to be exact today. I got to leave right at like 10:20 because today is install day.
Heck yeah.
Hell yeah, man. It should be, we're almost done. Well, shoot, I don't even know. I don't know if we can put a trade on right now. Can't put a trade on right now. Am I in a stinking trade right now?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Yes, I am.
Hey.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, you son of a bitch. What was that?
Oh.
No. Did you see?
Yeah.
For a second there, it showed I was still in the short. I was up $134, and it showed it up here, too. I was at like 900 something, 24,900 something. And then it glitched back, and it gave me... it actually, I lost $3. Like this trade ended up taking. What kind of horse shit is that? Interesting. A lot of stinking volatility right now. 30
Yeah, I
seconds.
tried, whenever you said it wasn't working on my other screen, on my take profit, I tried to enter one just to see,
Uh-huh.
and it didn't let me do anything, so I clicked exit and refreshed it, and I'd lost like $80, but there nothing ever came up on the screen. So
Weird, dude.
yeah,
Wow, what a friggin' wick on Nvidia. Nvidia wicked up huge and then just dropped like a rock. Huh. I might try a short again. See if we won't reverse this move a little.
wow.
Huge so far. Still trailing her. Still trailing her. Woo!
Look at
There we
that,
go.
Look at that drop.
Look at that
Nice.
stinging drop, man. That was, I got in at 964, out at 911, 50 points. 50 points right there. Finally up on the day, up 83 bucks. And look at that,
Let's
man.
go.
We came to your blue line perfectly.
Yeah, look at that. That is crazy.
Dude, what is going on with this
Crazy.
market right now? Wow. Wow. Crazy day, man. Crazy day. Man, it's like you're playing with fire too. Like we shouldn't be touching this, but it's like, you know.
Oh yeah, it's just a little hot.
Yeah,
It's
man.
not real hot. Right? It's just a little hot, guys.
It's just a little spicy. A little spicy. Man, let's look at all screens here. Like look at Nvidia's wick. Nvidia had a huge pump up. Just to drop like a rock, but now it's starting to get a little support again. Q's pump up support. I mean, everybody just reversed its last five minute move.
Yeah.
VIX is starting to go up a little bit again. Shoot, man. Yeah, the short is still shorting. The short is still shorting. Down here at the 45 now, though. I mean, last time we've been getting good support at 854,
Yeah.
which we're pretty damn close to right now. But it's kind of scary to long this, isn't it?
It is just because the kind of the volatility, but
Yeah, and Nvidia is still dropping like crazy. But I mean, there you go. There's 40 points right there. Guitar guy, damn it, I keep blowing accounts left and right. I quit. Oh well. Yeah, man. Listen, it's tough out there. Tough out there for a
that is
PM.
the name of the game, though.
Yeah. How long have you been trading for, man? I mean, the only thing I can say is, switch back to we only pass evals on this channel.
That's not much.
Shoo!
That's not much.
That's all we do. We make it rain evals, past evals on this channel. Today's day 5 of us passing evals. Duh, but guitar guy, probably switch back to demoing, Trade only a demo account for an entire week.
Yeah. That really gets you locked in too if you do that sometimes.
Yeah, 100%, man. It'll also frustrate the hell out of you because you'll make 10 grand.
Yeah.
You'll make like 10 or 20 grand. It'll be a ridiculous amount of profit, and you're like, why? Why have I been blowing all this shit up? Look at that long now, man. Shit, 100 points from where I said it.
Yeah.
Like 6 months, never passed an eval. Just keep grinding, man. You're gonna be there. I'm at 6 months too right now. 6-7 months. I've only been trading for 6 or 7 months. It is what it is. Everybody's journey is a little bit different, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Just stay locked in with what the dream is at the end of the day, right? Not only financial freedom, but it's just something you can do from anywhere,
Yeah.
Took Mark over a year to pass his first eval. And Mark makes his living right now as a trader, guitar guy.
Yeah.
This dude is vacationing in Florida for an entire month right now. And it took him a year to pass his first one. So, yeah, definitely don't feel bad, bud.
Yeah, guys.
We're in the treehouse of trust here, guys. Fucking hell, man. Why did I not long?
Okay,
Why did I
there
not
we go, there
long?
we go.
Why did I not long? Why are we not long right now?
Well, me and Mark were long. We just didn't want to say anything.
Shit.
Stop fill.
I mean, there you go. Another 20, 25 points right there. Beautiful.
That's why
Took me-
that's why I had to switch screens a while ago, because I was like Mark. I was $140 away from passing this eval,
Yeah.
and you know how it makes. I mean, it does make you nervous. So
Yeah, yeah.
I had to switch it. I had to switch it over to my other screen. But yeah, there's a take profit. Made $14.99 on it, $53,009. So me and Mark both got one passed right now.
Hell yeah, boys.
And
We
I
got two
literally had to
evals
set-
passed. 2 evals passed today.
I
That's
literally
pretty
had to go
darn
in
good.
and set a 200. I had to set a 200 stop and 200 profit. I just clicked it when I thought it was right, and it went the right way. So.
Yeah. Hell yeah, bud. Hell yeah. Love it. Love to see it. Love to hear it.
Mark was my inspiration.
Marco it's not a vacation, busy down here. I'm busier down here than I am in Michigan. I've been long, but I'm over here yakking. Yeah, I know, man. Me too. That's honestly my issue. Like half the time, you know, half of Trading Cowboys trades that are amazing trades, I miss them because I'm just talking the entire time. I'm just like chat, 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 chat. And then I look down, he's up 40 points. I'm like, oh fuck. Why did I know, right? Guitar guy. He goes, "That's right, guys. Just rub it in." Yeah, I know. Hey, listen, man. Same thing. Look at me. I'm up 125, but I'm at 24,962. So I'm still down $40 on this stupid account. You know, I blew up an account this morning. If that makes you feel better, I blew up an account on the PCE, and I unfortunately just bought it. I think 2 days ago. I traded a little bit yesterday. Traded it way too much last night, and we shouldn't have done that. Because we had we were down maybe $500 on it, and then last night I brought it down to we blew up like $1,200 on it last night, and then I only had $80 left this morning for that PCE gamble. Call it what it is. Hey, we have all lost sleep and been depressed over all the dumb trades we made and all the good trades we were too scared to take, says Mark, and that's phenomenal advice. I love that.
Yep, for sure.
Because, yeah, man, it is. It's just, you know, it is what it is. The only good news is Apex, 90% off. So that's the plan. Listen, demo for the next 3 days or however long Apex is, 90% off is. Demo, demo, demo. Then buy it. Buy their 90% off. Buy 2 of them. So invest $40 on the very last day that they do it. Still don't trade them, though. Still demo. Demo for 2 more days or something like that. And then switch back to those evals. And I bet you'll do way better. Yeah. And don't... Only DCA once. How about that? There's a good rule for you as well. And that's the thing that screws me up. Like, my big loss 2 days ago was, you know, I DCA'd where my stop would kind of be. And then I decided to create a new stop that was at a lower level. And then I DCA'd again when we got to that stop. And then just tried to do a YOLO when we got to the fuck you, we're dead in the water. So,
Right, yeah.
what are you doing, pup? You're in everybody's way. Come here, yo. You're in everybody's stinking way. What are you doing? Look at, we can't even see you on camera. We can't even see you.
It just looks like you're rubbing your shirt.
Literally, man. Once in a while, you see these little beady eyes. You little nutter. You little nutball. Oh, let's see. All right, so again, I gotta leave in 6 minutes. Gotta make sure I leave in 6 minutes. We need to have a discussion on how to treat evals and the mindset needed to pass them.
For sure.
Which I still don't even know what it is, if I'm being honest. I mean, unfortunately,
I go back and
yeah,
I kind of go back and forth. I don't know how Mark is, but evals, I try to pass them as fast as possible. It's a little bit, you got to be a little bit more
aggressive.
maybe gentle. I don't know if that's the right word when you're doing like lucid or take profit trader, because I mean you're basically paying for your eval and your funded account at once. Whereas Apex, I mean, if you can get in there and get 90% off and pay $20, then I would buy 5 of them and put on 5 contracts and pass 3 out of the 5 that day.
Just YOLO them.
Get it over with. Then go back into your consistency rule. And that's why I like Apex, because they had that 30% consistency rule, and then they have that 30% drawdown rule. So you would have to exit a trade if you got to $600-700 down. So it kind of kept you disciplined. And then if you went in there and set your I'm gonna make my max I'm gonna make is gonna be X amount that day, then you were done with it. So
yeah.
But I really didn't dally a lot in the evals on Apex. Now, Lucid and stuff like that for sure, because you're spending, $80, $90, $100 each account. So.
Yeah. Every time Apex has a 90% sale, I'm always $1 short of my bank account. Last couple sales makes me mad. Yeah, man, I know it. Or I finally figured that out after doing this for a couple months. Is I kept just buying like full priced accounts, or I'd buy like a 10% or 20% off account, and then I would have too many of those accounts when a 90% off sale came up, and I'm like, what the fuck? So finally, I feel like I'm on the right schedule for the 90%ers. It's like I seem to blow up the accounts, right around when the next 90% sale pops back up, and I'm like, all right, we're good again. But yeah, man, it's frustrating. It's frustrating too. Like I had a red day Monday, and then I had to drive my buddy that I'm working with, his house. Even though the job we've been working at is only 19 minutes away, his house is like an hour away. So I had to go to his house the other day, and obviously it's an hour-long drive, a lot of traffic, things like that. After having a red day, I was getting so pissed off and infuriated that I kept choosing the wrong lane on the highway as well. And it like exacerbated my trading frustrations, because I'm like, all right, I'm going to go into this lane now. This will be the fast lane. And then I'll get into that lane. And then all of a sudden it just starts slowing down like crazy. And then the other lane's the fucking fast lane. I'm like, this is what was happening when I was trading, I'd go in long and it would instantly be a short. And now, oh man, are you making trades without telling us?
Not on the one we showed, but I'll show you right here. Killer.
It was a big long, dude. That's a huge trade right there. 67. You got a 100-point trade.
Went in at the bottom right there.
Yeah.
Y'all can see that.
Yeah.
3 contracts right off the bottom. Sold them right up here at my blue line. 535 times 3.
Hell yeah. 1,500.
1674.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Let's go, Mark.
Shit, dude. Crazy, man. I wish you'd called that one out though. I would have taken that. I got 2 minutes left. I've been waiting to take one last trade. I would have taken that with you. I was just over here, man. Again, I just talk too much sometimes, man. Talk too much.
Guy, if you'll stick with us, come trade with us.
Yeah, 100%, man. Yep.
We'll show you our style. We're in and out sometimes, but we got Mark here. We got Charles. Charles, man, he can long that sucker forever.
Oh, I know. Yeah, he's the king of the 150-point trades.
We got Zero Don that steps in. He plays a lot of the $80, $100 trades. He's here in the morning sometimes, and then he's on my channel later.
Yeah.
I've been popping into both of them here lately, so those guys are good.
Guitar guy. Right now he's gonna quit prop firms, play with Kalashi app. Patrick keeps talking about. Ooh, getting into the real. I mean, that is truly the world of gambling. But at the same time, I don't know. Some stuff makes sense. I haven't looked through it myself yet. But again, like if there's a if there's a 90-10 on the second coming of Jesus happening this year, why wouldn't you take that? You know, that seems like almost a guarantee. Think about that. Perfect. No lose trade. Is you YOLO your life savings into the coming of Jesus happening. And if it doesn't happen, you're a millionaire, right? And if it does happen and you happen to lose your life savings, I don't think it matters because Jesus is back on earth kind of a thing. So it's like that's such a crazy event that like everything would be upended anyways. So like money might not even matter anymore, have value, blah, 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 right? So it's literally a no losing trade.
Well, and with that Pokemon card, one of the stories was that they had to go in there and change kind of the spread because if a guy had bet 1 million that it would sell for over 10 million.
Yeah.
Beginning of it was like you'd win like over 20 something million.
Damn.
So in theory,
you could use it to buy it, right?
Go borrow,
right.
Yeah, a guy could go borrow 11 million.
Yep.
Put $1 million down,
yep.
and then bid that 10 million. And if somebody outbid him, then he's fine. And then if it didn't outbid him and he got a Pokemon card, he'd go sell it for 10 million and get his money back.
Right.
So
yeah, it's a win-win-win-win-win.
That right there at the end, but yeah, I kind of like the ones, and I haven't really looked at the ends of them, but you can just go in and bet Bitcoin will be at this price, by the end of the week or the next 15 minutes, or those kind of appeal to me a little bit.
Right. Are people really betting on the second coming of Christ? Supposedly. I mean, again, I haven't checked it out myself, but actually Patrick was bringing up that specific, example the other day, which would be insane if it actually is true. All right, gang. I really wanted to make a last one, but 10:22. I got to get out of here. It's Friday, though. We're green. I'm up 125, which, again, guitar guy, frustrating as shit. The guy that I'm streaming with passed 2 evals today, So it is what it is, man. It's crazy how different trading can be just depending on that exact millisecond that you click the mouse, your sizing, everything, just make those subtle tiny differences make that huge overall difference between, passing or not. And it's something I'm still working on as well as right. Now look at this. I have pure access to the guy that just passed 2 evals today, and I made 125, So it's just a thing that just keep sticking with it, man. You're going to figure it out. You're going to love it, and life is going to be great.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What is this girl doing? All right, gang. I got to get going, though. Love you all to death. Happy Friday. Have a phenomenal weekend. Next week, we're going to try a unique one where for at least a couple days, as long as we don't blow up our accounts and stuff like that, but I think we're going to do well, we're only going to take longs. So no shorts at all. Or, I don't know, maybe if we're like at the highest point the market's ever been by Monday, which I doubt, maybe we'll only take shorts that week. But presumably, we'll only take longs. And we'll see how it goes.
Heck yeah.
And, of course, make sure to pop over to Mr. The Trading Cowboy here, because I'm sure he is not done abusing and beating up this market today. So definitely pop over and check out his live stream as well.
Hey, thanks, guys.
All right, gang.
Thanks for showing up.
Yep.